Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing your equipment. Charge the camera battery above 50% and have the Sigma USB dock or correct cable ready. This prevents interruptions. Once connected, power the camera and set it to manual mode so the camera won't sleep during the update. Next, run the Sigma firmware utility you downloaded and confirm the lens model displayed matches the lens you have. This step matters because installing the wrong firmware can brick the lens. You click Update in the Sigma updater and watch the progress carefully. This is where patience is critical. Make sure not to disconnect the USB cable or turn off the camera. Power loss mid-flash can corrupt firmware. If the updater asks for confirmations, read each prompt. They often include why the change improves autofocus or image stabilization. Once the progress bar completes, the tool will verify the install. Wait for the verification step to end before touching anything. Once the update finishes, restart the camera and test core functions: autofocus, optical stabilization, and aperture control. You do this to ensure the new firmware applied correctly. Then check the lens firmware version in the camera menu and compare it to the file you installed. This confirms success. If something went wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reconnect using the Sigma USB dock or a different USB port, then run the updater again. Often a flaky cable or port.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.